Tired of manually transferring leads from Leadpages to Follow Up Boss? Today, I will show you how to seamlessly connect Leadpages to Follow Up Boss using Make, formerly Integromat, making lead management a breeze. First, log into your Make account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Click on Create a New Scenario to start. Next, click the plus button in the center of the screen, and search for Leadpages selected as the trigger app. Choose Watch Form Submission as the trigger. Connect your Leadpages account by clicking Add, then follow the prompts to authorize Make. Now, inside Leadpages, you will need to locate the URL for your form on the desired page in Make. Paste the URL into the webhook URL field in the Leadpages module. Make sure to save the webhook URL. You will need it. Now, click the plus button again and search for Follow Up Boss. Select Create Person as the action. Connect your Follow Up Boss account by clicking Add and entering your API key, which you can find in your Follow Up Boss account settings. Map the fields from Leadpages to the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss, such as name, email, and phone number. This is where you tell Make which data from your Leadpages form goes where in Follow Up Boss. Finally, give your scenario a name, turn it on, and test it by submitting a test lead through your Leadpages form. And that's it. Now, every time someone fills out your Leadpages form, their information will automatically be added to Follow Up Boss, saving you time and ensuring no lead slips through the cracks.